Hello, I'm Chris Gaskin. Welcome to my channel, Ultra Woody. A big welcome, especially if you're new, and please feel free to look at all my old videos. Okay, we got Valentine's Day coming up, and I'm going to make a heart-shaped dish. It's from my cousin who asked me to make it about 2 or 3 years ago. She's probably forgotten now. Nothing funny going on there. It's a heart-shaped dish. She's not my Valentine. Okay, right. What I'm going to make it out of is I've got some offcuts of ash, or trimmings, whatever you like to call them. They are big, but they're big offcuts. Alright, so I'll glue these together and make a heart shape out of it. I'm going to use the lathe to hog out the centre and probably round the outside off. Don't know, we'll have to see. But basically, I'm going to have to carve quite a bit of it. And when I say carve, I mean chop it out with a chisel and do my best to sand all the insides out. Alright then, let's glue it up then. in. Yeah, still might. Now why isn't that on? That's why, because of that. Okay, I finished the bowl and it was a right hard slog. There it is. Got a lot of thickness there, which makes it a heart-shaped hole in wood. Yeah, it's about, must be 3/4 of an inch, probably more. Oh well. Right, hollowing that a bit out. I did a bit on the lathe, and I had to use chisel. Actually, I hacked it all out with a chisel, didn't I? And then I used an angle grinder to sand it up, clean it up. That was on the outside. My pad sander, or whatever you call it, oscillating sander. Yeah, bandsaw, cut all that off. I tried to sand it all back with the lathe, but it wouldn't touch it. Just not enough guts in it. Well, there's not enough guts in it. It's not gritty enough. But I'm quite pleased with it. Ironically though, inside's a little bit lumpy. Outside's beautiful. Look at that. Oh. You saw me wax it, so it's still, you know, it's all nice and slippery. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with it, and I hope my cousin likes it. It will be a family heirloom, hopefully, that she'll keep forever and not chuck in a cupboard. We will have to see. Alright. Okay, well I hope that you enjoyed the video. Next year I'll do a heart-shaped something else. It'll be a damn sight easier than this thing. And note to the rest of the family, they're not having one. This is the only one I'm making like this. Alright, so be warned, lots of work. Okay, well thanks for watching. Usual stuff. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please share it. Have a happy Valentine's Day and give me a thumbs up. Alright then, thank you very much and I'll see you next week. Bye.